Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pitcher of sangria easy method. Start by chopping fruit and measuring wine, brandy, and a sweetener. Toss fruit into a pitcher, add 1 bottle of dry red wine, 1/4 cup brandy, and 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. Stir gently until dissolved. Add a splash of soda or sparkling water just before serving. Chill at least 2 hours for the best flavor and serve over ice with extra fruit. In this video, I will show how to make a pitcher of sangria easy method. Prepare all ingredients before mixing to save time and keep flavors bright. Slice citrus into thin rounds and pit and slice peaches or nectarines. Combine fruit, wine, brandy, and your chosen sweetener in a large pitcher and gently stir. Taste and adjust sweetness or brandy level. Cover and refrigerate so the fruit infuses the liquid for a smoother, more aromatic sangria. In this video, I will show how to make a pitcher of sangria easy method. When ready to serve, stir the pitcher again and add ice to glasses rather than the pitcher to avoid dilution. Spoon some fruit into each glass and top with a splash of bubbly for texture. Adjust sweetness or acidity with a squeeze of lemon or extra sugar. Keep extras chilled and enjoy a drink that pairs well with grilled food or friendly conversation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.